Alright. Start that motherfucker.
What we going about, man? Yeah.
Let me start that shit off.
Yeah. Driving through the city, getting more digits than a license plate. Every time I see a girl, I just ate. What you think I'm doing? I'm always playing. And your girlfriend ain't here, so you know she playing.
Yeah, she playing.
We ain't playing. When your 8 Mile niggas talk shit, then we slaying. Slay 'em like a dragon, and you know that you a faggot. I will chop you up and put your body parts up in a bag, and I ain't playing, motherfucker. I'm a fucking goon, and your girl with me, and she coming soon, cause I'm about to hit her ass, hit her hard like a baseball. Y'all niggas like Xbox, cause we play y'all. My nigga Larry in the front motherfucking seat. And when your girl see him, he gon' fucking ski. Cause she liked him so much, cause she said he cute. And y'all niggas stink like y'all niggas poop.